This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Hit the link in the description field. Make sure that you check out our new indicators, and we're going to go through Bitcoin. But the indicator that caught the bottom of Bitcoin, guys, hit that link in the description, and bam, you'll be able to review that. Make sure you know what the bottom of Bitcoin thus far looked like. Make sure you know what a proper trade team looks like and a proper HQ to dig into the details. Now, I'm looking at something on the daily, a very exciting chart. Let's dig in. I want to give you guys the full screen on this daily chart. This is London, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice. Duke University, Harvard Business School, all that good stuff. In terms of the daily, all right, I want to talk about the specific most bullish pattern in play right now that the bulls really want. So you guys got this. This is going to be a bump and run. What are the requirements for a bump and run? First of all, we need to lead in. And I'll tell you guys, on that link in the description field, you'll find a pattern index. If you're not VIP, you'll be able to enjoy that for a limited amount of time. Check out the pattern index. It'll go over a bump. And guys, that would be the actual bump with the lead in, but the bump and run, that would be the bump breaking through the level of resistance here, right? From this bump, we would expect the run, boom, to be to the upside after clearing this level of resistance. Now, what's important about a bump and run pattern that's on the daily? What's important about a bump and run pattern is the following. That 70+% of the time, 70% of the time, you're going to break what line? You're going to break this level of resistance. This is your classic lead in this area. This is your bump. 70+% of the time, and pay attention in terms of a risk mitigation. You guys know, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice. 70% of the time, we're going to break this level of resistance across the top. That's based on 40 plus years of market data. It's not my opinion. It's not maybe. It's 40 plus years of market data. I'll tell you that there is a possibility for a double bump before the run. We don't want to talk about that. We don't want to naysay at all. Just so that you understand the potential, we could have a double bump and then a run. That is just a possibility. It's discussed in the literature in terms of the authorities for TA. I want to make sure I bring that to you, but 72% of the time, we're going to break this level of resistance. So it's an attractive feature that we're in. And it is, I'd say, a bit hidden here with this level of resistance and resistance. Watch this line. I'm looking for bulls to beat this and to not complete a secondary bump. Of course, we all are, guys. Watch the MACD on the daily. Have you guys seen the MACD on the daily? I think I can plug this in, at least on the far screen. MACD on the daily does not look nice. Period. MACD on the daily needs to get up and busy. Let's go into, let me take that off real quickly. Come here. As we look at the MACD on the daily, there you go, guys. This is a troublesome look here. That is the MACD on the daily. We have two options, okay? In terms of price is going to follow the MACD if we continue to the downside, or we're going to create a divergence, bottom line. In terms of a divergence, always remember that you have two options. The divergence can get in line with price, okay, or price can get in line with the indicator. I should say indicator. So the indicator can get in line with the price, or price can get in line with the indicator. One of the two. It's not always the price is going to obey that divergence. So pay attention. Just wanted to get you guys a video out real quickly in terms of the indicator. Let's look real quickly. The specific cap line feature did marvelously well today. Did very, very well. I'll say very well. In terms of the cap line pack, take a look on the candle wicks. Take a look at this colored price action. Those are nice launches, guys. Absolutely. I'll encourage you when you book a positive trade to try and stay out of the chop. Period. Book a nice trade and wait. Get a pattern going. While the pattern is chopping back and forth, that's fire and ice territory. That's the indicator that caught the bottom of Bitcoin. That is the link in the description, guys. Hit it again. And I just want to encourage you all to work on your trades with limited investment amount until you can book for positive trades. When you can book for positive trades, start increasing your trade amount. But not until then. Do not increase your trade amount until you can book for positive trades. Otherwise, what are you doing? You're losing more money if you increase your trade amounts. So we've seen this a lot. I've seen a lot of traders develop. I want to shout out to Morgan Stanley. Had a good discussion with the pro over there today, professional executive Morgan Stanley. Good guys. What's up with VIP? Good guys. We'll talk to you guys soon. Let's dig in this week's CPI on Wednesday. Who's going to trade? Who's going to hedge? Who's got it? VIP have got it. Let's go, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Take care. This is London with VIP Trader, Bitcoin Spike, La Jolla, California. Excited to be here. We'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.